Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix USB debugging is not working in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you're using S21 Plus and you're facing the issue that your USB debugging isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to your settings here, just scroll down, go to software update and make sure that your software is up to date. Now, once I've done, I also recommend that you have to check your USB, that your USB is connected as well. Then go to your About Phone section here. The very first thing you have to enable your developer options, and in your developer options, you can easily manage your USB debugging. So, if you have already enabled, so you can go to the next step. I'm gonna enable my developer options here. Go to About Phone, go to Software Informations. Here you might see build number. You just have to make 7 clicks on it to enable developer options. So let's do this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you might see this type interface or confirmation message to allow development setting. Click OK. Developer mode has been enabled. Now just go back and go to developer options. And some phones you might get into general management, but in my case there's a developer option here. Now here, just scroll down and look for USB debugging. Just that, click on it and click OK. Now your USB debugging is enabled. Once I've enabled your USB debugging, now you can easily use your phone for USB debugging. And once I've done, I also recommend you have to disable this letter when you have completed your work. So in this way, you can easily fix if your USB debugging isn't working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.